Hey babes, so I'm sure you guys have already seen by the title of today's video, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get perfectly bone straight hair every time. Now this method has worked for me countless amounts of times, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys. First step is to apply serum to the hair. Serum for me helps to protect my hair and also really helps my hair to still look lusterful and to look shiny when I'm actually done straightening the hair. So I apply this all the way through my hair. Do not apply too much because you don't want to have too much product in your hair because that doesn't look cute either. Number two is to brush it out. I use my my wet brush, I call it. This is the brush I usually use when my hair is still wet, but it also works perfectly well for when the hair is dry to detangle. Then as you guys can see, I'm pretty excited about my new straightener. I got it from Safeway. I will leave all the details down below. Step number 3 is to section off the hair. I find this makes straightening so much easier. When all my hair is in my face and all over the place, it just does not end well, let me just tell you that. Then the next step is going to be to comb it out once again. This time I comb it out with a rat tail comb, and this just helps the hair to be even more detangled and ensures that I have like literally no tangles in my hair before I end up straightening it. Now the method that I use to straighten my hair is called the chase method, and this is basically just me following through with my straightener after I comb the hair. As you guys can see, this is easier for me to show you than to explain it to you, but basically I put the rat tail comb in front of my straightener, and this really separates the hair particles really well so that I can get to every single strand of hair. And this is honestly the major key. This in combination with your serum will have you looking snatched. Like it will literally have your hair super straight, trust me. But also do pay attention to the straightener that you use. So I'm gonna just keep doing this, and you guys are gonna keep watching me do just one side of my hair, and I'm gonna give you guys some specs on the hair. This hair is from a company called Nadula hair. I did get sent a lace front wig in the length 24 inches, and it is 180% density. Now, with regards to how I feel about this hair, I love everything about this hair, honestly, besides for the fact that this hair does have a lot of flyaways. That was one thing that I did notice, and something that I did find would be important to mention to you guys. There are a lot of flyaways in this hair, so that could be annoying to you if you're a person who doesn't like flyaways. For me personally, it's not like a train smash, but it's just like I'd prefer to not. You know what I'm saying? But otherwise, really good hair. You guys will see that it straightens beautifully. It looks honestly stunning. You guys would have seen the intro already, but you know, it really looks great. So I'm gonna leave you guys to watch me straighten my hair some more. I will speed it up after we get to the crux of the straightening, but yeah, just enjoy the music, and I will see you guys in the rest of the video.
Tell me, do you think I'm being sentimental? 'Cause all this time I've been trying to work out what it was. Draw me close to you, wish I could feel it now. Baby, I'm not gonna help you make decisions, 'cause I need some time for you to know if this is best for us. If I don't think it's right, you think I'm wrong.
Okay, now that our hair is straight, you guys can see that the hair still does look a little bit bumpy on the top. So now we go ahead and we take our mousse, and this is the slicking part, and I put mousse all the way on the top or the crown of the wig, and this really helps to slick it down and make sure that it is not bumpy and it lays flat. This is really important, guys. You don't want your wig to look like a helmet. That is not the goal. We want it to be as flat as possible. Also, make sure that you do cornrow or slick your hair down underneath, or else again your hair gonna look like a helmet. The last step is to reinforce. I call this reinforcements because this is just going to make sure everything stays in place. I went ahead and I applied my Got2b free spray to the top of my wig again, because I told you guys about the flyaway issue, so I just use that to tame the flyaways even more. And then I also go ahead with my straightener just to again make sure that everything sticks down. I don't want these flyaways to be ruining my whole vibe, so this is a really good method to use. Also, you can use a curling wand and just reinforce your parting if that is something that you want to be defined. But that's pretty much all that I have for you guys for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, because I really enjoyed making it for you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
You wanna deal with a player? All you gotta do is keep it real with a player. Just answer your phone whenever I call, cause I'm riding on chrome. Whenever I ball, I like 'em short and tall, but not too thick. I just walk in the spot and